Hello and welcome back. So now we're back looking at the video player page, and in this instance or occasion we're going to go to a slightly more developed way of using it. So you will hopefully watch a video, enjoy the video, and then you might watch it 2-3 times. And when you're ready, this is probably the most important thing on this page, but not the most difficult to use. When you're ready, you will go to what we call assessment mode. And when you press assessment mode, you'll find that a little video, a little red dot pops up on your video, and in that instance when you're playing the video and you get to that point, you will be presented with the question or the assessment point. Now, the items here, some of them are all set by us, but your teacher can add one on any point on any video to personalize learning more for you. So do expect some of them to be from your teacher or mentor, depending on the relationship or the way that you're using the system. And you'll write your answer in here, and you'll also be able to see other people's answers. And the reason we built this in this way is because we found that it really helps people to reflect and develop on what they're doing, etc. But on this, in some instances, you're going to be asked to not only type what you think, but you might be asked to show a video or a piece of evidence in how you may want to upload an item. So you go to the evidential files, and when you're here, you go to upload a file, and then you will simply be able to pick the relevant upload. Especially if you want some video feedback, you can upload a video section of your lesson, and then you will get a piece of video feedback to you. Now, I'm going to show you this at the same time, even though it's skipping ahead a bit, so what you can expect to see. So here you can see I have put a certain amount of GVGs, which is a video file that we use, that we make, and we've put them in there. So I'm now going to, I've uploaded those evidential files, and when I click on that, it will take me to a space and place where it is and it's placed. And then what you'll see is I will be able to watch that video, and this blue dot, it could be at any point in the video, it is a piece of feedback for me. So that is there for me, allowing me to see different items. And obviously this is some people we had there, but it's going to give me a little bit of feedback in the middle of the video. I'm just going to play this for you as a demo so you know what we're talking about here. So it'll be the video that I had uploaded.
Start with showing you a range of,
and then
you say yes, I will then be able to give you feedback on X, Y, and Z, blah, blah, blah. And you have to remember that you have items on the types of 3D.
Where there, I'll just give you an example of your mentor can leave feedback in a video for you. And in fact, just to go and show it in a more kind of deliberate way, just that was the process. If I come into this space here, and I go and see exactly the same thing again, but this time it's set within the uploads and the video evidence that I have in assessment mode. And you see here it's against one of the QTS standards. And I'm just going to see this there walking around the class. And then here you see there are going to be lots of comments put in here. So here you might be uploading a piece of evidence to show what you're doing, to demonstrate what you're doing. And as you see, your mentor is able to leave a comment for you. At the exact point that they want to give you the feedback or advice.
Really impressive to see you walking around the class like that, taking full control of the class, and it's good to see you interacting with the students as you go around. You can see from your facial gestures that you've been positive, nodding, supportive, and giving really good feedback.
And see there, you see I've been given feedback at that exact point, so you can have mentors commenting on what you're doing at the exact point in which you need it. And so that is the extension there of what you can do with the assessment answering, the assessment actually being able to share and see what other people are doing in terms of their answers, and then also how you can use it as a place to actually start and send back your video feedback. I hope that was of use.